Good morning guys, gising ko lang. Kararating lang ng mga Junakis. Kararating lang ng 3 Mariang apo ko. Ayan, may pasalubong sa akin. So, coffee. Dito lang ako sa room kasi malikabok. Ayan, coffee tayo. Tingnan natin, mag-unboxing tayo ng Jollibee. Nag-breakfast sila sa Jollibee. Ayan. So, ano to? Tuna. Tuna pie. Yeah. So, my breakfast for today is tuna pie. Pagod. Yes, kailangan ko mag-save ng energy tonight kasi meron po akong live tomorrow. Okay, for preparing for my birth month. Ayan. So, coffee tayo. And thank you. And thank you for watching. Happy blessed Sunday, everyone. And today is September 1st, my birth month. So, 16 days from now, birthday ko na, and thank you for another year, Papa Jesus. Alright. Till my next vlog.